Top 5 first mods on a budget. Wind deflectors. You can pick these up on eBay for around £30, transforming the look of your car into something a little bit more stylish. LED bulbs. Whether that's exterior, interior or license plate bulbs, a set of LED bulbs will transform the look of your outdated looking headlights into something a bit more up to date. For exterior bulbs, I definitely recommend Autobeam or Euro car parts, but on the other hand, Halfords is perfect for the interior. Pressed or gel number plates. Once again, you can pick these up on eBay for around 20 quid. Sunstrip or decal stickers. You can pick up a decent sunstrip from Halfords for a tenner. Lowering springs or coilovers. I know these mods are on a budget, but you'd be surprised on what sets of lowering springs you can pick up for less than £100. For example, take these ones for my car, around £75 off Euro car parts. Not always you'll find a set for that price, so even if it means taking a second-hand pair off Gumtree or eBay or the Facebook Marketplace, it can still really transform the look of your vehicle.